This soft whole wheat bread is simple to make, nourishing, and made with ingredients that are kinder to us and the planet. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. What if our daily bread could have more fiber, vitamins, and less processing just by changing the flour? Today I'm baking a whole wheat bread and I'll show you how to make soft, homemade whole wheat bread step by step. For this recipe, I used 3/4 of a cup of warm water and added 1 tablespoon of instant yeast and 2 tablespoons of date syrup, but you can use any sweetener you prefer like sugar. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, cover the mixture and let it get activated. Meanwhile, I measured 2 cups of whole wheat flour. If you use white flour, you need more flour because it absorbs more water, and aerate to make it uniform and easier to mix with water. When the yeast is activated, you can see bubbles and rise in the mixture. Then I added 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 egg and mix the mixture thoroughly. Then add the mixture to the flour. Mix the ingredients and knead until the dough becomes soft and elastic. I also add 1 teaspoon of salt to the dough. For me, whole wheat bread is both a healthy and environmental friendly option. Whole grains means less processing and less waste, and homemade bread means zero packing. On the other hand, whole wheat flour has more vitamins and fiber than white flour. That means better digestion, longer fullness, and steadier energy. Dust your surface with flour and roll out the dough into a rectangle. The dough may seem a little sticky, but don't worry, the result would be a soft bread that you really like it. And roll the dough. Grease the baking pan with butter and dust it with some flour. And finally, place the dough in a baking dish. Whole wheat dough needs patience. Temperature really matters. And let it rise in a warm place. And once stable in size, brush some milk on top of the bread and pour any seeds you like. And bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 40 minutes. And that's it. You'll have a soft and delicious whole wheat bread easily. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more green and even sweet recipes.